Hello everyone. Today's our topic is conic section. We know that every journal equation of second degree always represents a conic section. If we define conic section, then it is defined as the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point is in a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed straight line. This is called conic section. What is locus? Locus is the path followed by the point satisfying certain given conditions. In this figure, the point S, this is the fixed point and this is called focus. The fixed straight line, this is called directrix. This is represented by AB in this figure. The constant ratio such that PS is equal to EPM. Here E is the constant ratio. This is the ratio of PS and PM. This is called eccentricity. The straight line passing through the focus and perpendicular to directrix, this is called axis of conic section. The point where the axis meets the conic, this is called vertex of the conic section. The conic section is a parabola or ellipse or hyperbola or circle or pair of straight lines depending upon the value of E and position of focus. If the focus S does not lie on the directrix and E is equal to 1, then the locus of the point P, that is the conic section, will be parabola. If the focus S does not lie on directrix and E lies from 0 to 1, then the locus of the point P, that is the conic section, will be the ellipse. The focus S does not lie on directrix and E greater than 1, then the conic section will be hyperbola. If the directrix is at infinity and E is 0, then the conic section will be circle. If the focus S lies on the directrix AB, then the conic section will represent the straight lines. Thank you.